Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change wallet address on Tonkeeper. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, firstly, if you want to choose the wallet that you want to change the wallet address of, then you can simply tap on the option wallet at the top. Here you can see all the wallet account that you have created. Right now, I don't have any, but you can choose the one that you want to change the address of. After that, all you need to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right. Now at the down, you can see the option address update. You can tap over there. Now here you can find your old address and your new address. They have informed that by the end of this year, the entire Ton network will display wallet addresses differently. The new address will start with UQ instead of EQ, and the last 4 letters will change too. You need to remember that you will not be able to generate new wallet address once the wallet has been created. If you need a new wallet address, you can create yourself a new Tonkeeper wallet, because the new Tonkeeper wallet will have the new address from the original one, and you can switch accordingly. And this is how you can change your wallet address on Tonkeeper. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.